Mikayla, this is insane. Are you f***ing kidding me?
Gosh darn it, it's stuck. Come on. Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, wow. It's glowing. Yeah.
Hi, my friends. Welcome back.
Today I'm prepping before my makeup with the new line from POV Beauty, Point of View with Mikayla. So, Mikayla, hope you're watching. We will go through it all and see how it is and how it will work with my makeup later on. My only challenge is that I do not have Drench It. It's still sold out. I tried last time, but it was sold out instantly. But anyway, I'll give it a fair try, and I will be using the Fenty Skin Fat Water. So this is the Hydrating Milky Toner Essence instead today. Lips already is the Ampit. I just have to say, this is so delicious on my lips. My lips have never, ever looked this good. No, you haven't seen my lips before, but this is such an improvement. I can't believe it. So that's the first one. Okay, let's get started with the Fenty Fat Water Milky Hydration Toner Essence. Just give me the name of it. Oh, wow. And it's kind of, look, it's kind of thick, a thick milk. And I'm just doing it like this. And it has a nice scent to it. And then we will go on with POV Beauty. We are starting with the serum, which is Drip It. And it's a smoothing, hydrating, has a glassy appearance. It includes also niacinamide, panthenol, and snow mushroom. They claim it has mega mirrored molecular complex and 2 times ferment vital complex. So let's try it. This is so exciting. Can't wait to try it. Really. And I know everyone is doing this, so do I. Ooh, wow. This is so creamy and nice. Oh, that gives a lot of hydration. That's for sure. And look at that shine. Wow. So next up we have Whip It, with which is the hydrating whipped cream. It's a barrier support. It has intense hydration. It's resilience. It's bit of ectoin, ceramides, and glycerin in it. And it has a barrier bolster technology and a 2 times ferment vital complex. So I'm sure you have seen this maybe, or maybe not, but it comes with this spatula to take out the cream. And then we just open it. Ooh, let's see. Oh, gosh darn it. So it's stuck. Come on. Oh, yeah, there it is. Oh, wow. It's whipped cream, all right. Wow. Have a look, you guys. I don't know how much you can see, but it's whipped cream, all right. I'll just take some from here, and I'm going to put it out. And this also is so nice. Wow. Oh, I can't believe it. Oh, wow. Look at the glow. Wow. Look at my skin. Do I need any more? Wow. I can't believe my skin is looking like this. So far, so good. We have only one thing left. Glaze It, which is the primer. It's skin adhering. It has longevity and gives a glazing hydration. It contains niacinamide, glycerin, adenosine, among others. And it has gripping glaze technology. So let's try that one. I think it's like this, yes. Looks like a gel. Yeah, looks like a gel. Wow, look at my skin. My goodness, that is just amazing. Wow, wow, wow. What can I say? I just feel like smiling. It looks so beautiful and it feels so nourished. Wow. This is exciting. I have to say, Mikayla, this is exciting. I will now put on my makeup and we'll see how it works out. So, more is coming. Wait for it.